Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove hazard on Waze. Whether you're trying to keep your map clean while driving, or you simply want to update Waze so it reflects accurate road conditions, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know, even if you've never adjusted map icons before. First, open your Waze app and go to the main map screen. Once you're there, look for the menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. Take a moment to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. Next, tap on Settings from the menu list. You'll see several options that help you customize your map display. Scroll down and select Map Display, then tap on Reports. This section allows you to manage all the icons that appear on your map, including hazards. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. It's designed to be very user-friendly and intuitive. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Waze app is updated to the latest version and that you have a stable internet connection. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent any issues when removing icons or updating your map settings. Once you've completed these steps, look for the hazards you want to remove. Simply tap on the hazard icon, and you'll see an option labeled Show on Map. After that, the hazard will disappear from your map without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to periodically review your map settings to ensure that all your displayed icons match your preferences and reflect current road conditions. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your map accurate, safe, and easy to read while driving. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to remove hazard icons on Waze easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. You might just make someone's drive a little safer and more enjoyable. Don't forget to explore our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on making Waze work best for you. By keeping your map clean and updated, you'll not only have a smoother navigation experience but also contribute to a safer driving environment for yourself and other drivers. Happy navigating!